In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform core CRUD operations on a user's node in your database. We'll walk through writing new user data, reading it once, updating specific fields without replacing the whole record, and safely deleting entries. I'll also point out common pitfalls and tips so your data stays clean and predictable. Let's begin with writing data using the set method. Think of set as a way to place a complete user object at a specific location, such as a unique user ID under the user's node. When you call set on that path, it writes the data if it's new, or replaces whatever is already there. That means it's perfect for creating a new user record or fully redefining an existing one. Just remember, because set overwrites the entire object at that path, you should include all the fields you want to keep. If a field is missing from what you send, it will be removed in the database at that location. Next, reading data once with the get method. This retrieves a snapshot of the data at your user's path or a specific user's path. You'll typically check whether the snapshot exists and then extract the value. This is ideal for one-time reads, like loading details when a page opens or verifying that a user record is present. If you need live updates that react whenever data changes, use onValue instead, which sets up a listener for real-time synchronization. For single checks, though, get is simpler and more efficient. For partial changes, use the update method. Update lets you change one or more fields under a given user without touching the rest. It merges your changes into the existing object and leaves unspecified fields alone. This is great for modifying a display name, adding a profile field, or adjusting a flag without risking data loss. You can even update nested properties by specifying the appropriate child paths. It's a safe, targeted way to evolve a user record over time. Finally, deleting data. The remove method deletes everything at the specified path. You can also delete by calling set with a value of null, which has the same effect. Deletion is immediate and irreversible, so double-check the path you're targeting, especially when working at the user's level. If you want to preserve history, consider a soft delete approach in your app logic instead of hard removal. That's it. Set to create or replace, get to read once, update for partial edits, and remove to delete. Use these consistently, handle errors, and verify permissions so your user's node stays reliable and secure.